Hello, hello, hello. Yesterday we crossed 1000. What a beautiful number. So last night it took me 81 days. Sorry, 81 days to get to the first 1000 of subs, which is a good number. It's a lovely number. And today we are on 1010. So that's even lovelier number. Although like I don't know how to adjust it now, so the one is not cut out. So I think there's an option somewhere. How do I do that? Filters, remove. Um, there was a option here to get this one. Transform, maybe edit, transform, flip, no, stretch, no, center, no. So many, like I just need to move it slightly to the left because now my rectangle is too small. Scale filtering, disable point. What's this actually? Scale filtering looks weird. Bleeding mode. Multiply. Okay, let's see this one actually. Add, yeah. No, it's not adding anything. Oh, because it's okay. It's mode, so it's bleeding method. Okay, bleeding mode. Subtract. Ooh. No. Bleeding mode. Screen. Okay, so this was the difference, obviously. Yeah, let's have a screen. I don't mind. Or maybe no, because the thing is like all of this stuff just makes it heavier on my machine. But I just wonder, like, there is an option to filters. Interact. Yeah. No, that's not the one. How do I like rename, remove, interact, copy, group selected, transform. Edit, transform. Can I do that? Position, no. Size. Top left. Crop left. Oh, I can do that. Yay! We have a... So yeah, 1010. What a beautiful number. And we'll just add some on the right. And remove some on the top. Yeah, we can remove a bit here. And remove some on the bottom. Yeah, so let's just do this, and so let's just add another text above, or maybe not, wherever. I think it's fine. So yeah, someone gave me an advice to actually display this thing. And oh, another thing, one more thing. Sorry, I know I probably should have adjusted it earlier. Is NVIDIA broadcast working? Yes, it is working. So I can actually set myself here, bigger, better, nicer. So what are we going to do today? And I think I should go back to doing lists, because lists make you more efficient, in my opinion. And because I was just like freestyling stuff quite recently, some of the stuff that went well. So for example, this pixels and logic that I think it's done. I can start selling it, and I can start encouraging people to, to use it. So pixels and logic, I wonder if it's gonna open. No, it doesn't open. Sometimes on this machine, it opens on my phone, works well there. It opens sometimes here as well, but no. Oh no, okay, so even with security turned off, I don't know, like there is just something about my domain. It keeps on doing that. People can see it. Hello from New York City. Hello from New Warsaw. Zudini. That's a great nickname. I think it's first time you've been here, yes? So welcome. Make sure to subscribe. Obviously, I keep on reminding people. I know it gets tiresome, but I do love... yesterday I crossed 1000, which makes me proud. So let's see what Zudini is doing. There's 31 subscribers, and he also does what I'm doing. Good. Congratulations. Great work, man. Zudini. So what are you building? Last day streaming on this channel. Road to profitable AI SaaS. Oh, day 11. Okay. That's for me. Yeah, good. Oh, but you stopped doing that. Oh, well, you should have stuck to it. Now you'd have like a big channel. But probably jobs and stuff and busy and stuff. Project Zoo. Let's see your Project Zoo. Project Zoo. Yeah. Project Zulu, no. That's a Project Zoo. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Okay, you're still doing that. Great, great. Day 31. You look bored here. Why are you so bored? Yeah, great, great. Congratulations. I think you are, yeah, we are comparison, we are similar size almost. So are you, like, what are you doing? Like, is this cursor? Yes. And what's your app about? About lists, yeah. Okay, so let's just go on with my project, basically. Thanks for subscribing. I think it was you, Zoo, yeah? Project Zoo. Yeah, so I was saying earlier, I should be probably a bit more organized. Okay, just one more thing. I'll just check Discord. And I should be more organized. And what I want to do is actually start trying to find the customers for Pixels and Logic, which doesn't run right now. That's a pity. I really don't know how to actually fix it. I tried reinstalling my SSH certificate like multiple times. Working on an AI receptionist. Good. Yeah. How is it going? Do you find it hard? Do you have like experience actually building, like, are you vibe coding and stuff? How are you doing it? Or are you just programming it good old fashioned, by hand? Or is it vibe code? Oh, I should have actually, I think it was there. It was written that it's vibe code. Yeah, was it right? 0 to million, yeah. So are you like, how far are you within that road? 100 cold calls in is the goal. So you are cold calling during the live stream. How is it going? Or is it your app doing that for you? Bathroom break, okay. Are you cold calling from the machine? Like how does it work? Yeah. No, good. Yeah. And how is it going? Like, because I was like, I really have to do the same thing myself. Maybe not today on Saturday, but I really have to find some customers for my app. And it would be best to actually start calling them. And for other stuff as well, because I do have a, what's this? I do have a like a digital like agency style website, this Pixels and Logic, that I will have to start promoting as well. Yeah. So what I want to do today is to record a video about my digital agency where I'm talking about it, and I want to show actually that what we can offer. And unfortunately, as I'm saying, my website doesn't run here because of SSH. So I could reinstall it and it's gonna appear for an hour, or it might actually appear now or tomorrow or in or next week. This is a problem. So I will show it from localhost. But I've actually heard about this really cool technology. I want to get to the point where I want the app to call. So the app will be doing calls for you. Whoa. But thinking of having OpenClaw make it. Okay. I wonder, like, so can you just like put your phone number and it will just do it for you? Which is quite risky in a way, as much as I heard, but maybe I just don't know enough about stuff. But like it can actually promise something that you can't deliver. Yes, like AI agent might actually tell your customer something that, oh, this app will do this, and then they will expect that. So that's a tricky part. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, I thought you have to like put like a number. and then connect it, and then make sure that people don't ban it after a couple of days. So what's with this page? Why is it not showing? Yeah, okay, but the thing is, like, I don't really need it to be showing. I can just run it locally. And I'm actually, I heard of this really cool tool for React, which is like a code to video tool. Beta customers. Yeah, good. Yeah. So it seems like you are doing like the hardest work now. And this is something I'm probably a couple of days behind you, because I also have to start doing that as well for some of my projects. Although I'm also doing like ads and stuff, and hoping that, you know, I can make it with ads. PM. So I'm actually I'm talking to Zudini, very great. Like it's a very nice nickname, to be honest. PM start. Yes. Do you wanna do like a live stream together where you're gonna talk about your thing to my customers? Sorry, to my viewers. I'm actually planning to do that as well. You know, talk to people. The thing is, like, I'm too distracted. I think you are doing the right way. Just stick to one thing. Don't do everything. And I'm the one that does everything. And can't stick to one thing. But, you know, maybe I will learn one day to do it properly. Or maybe not. Maybe I will just like slowly drag those projects to the end. And some of them will be successful, some of them will fail. And that's life. Some stuff fails sometimes. Some stuff is successful and makes you money and makes you happy. And some stuff makes you money and makes you unhappy. That's also a real thing. I want to try to do everything. Yeah. Like that's a problem. So that's why I should actually do the list today finally. So let's just do first the script for the video. And it's gonna be like very loose script. So I'm gonna just write down some bunch of bullet points. Then I will just walk through the entire site. And then I will try the code to, it's called code to what? Code to video feature, to actually show that stuff and maybe animate it and view it, and then I will be talking over that. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I have like 2 hours today, so I want to actually do as much as possible in 2 hours of that, and maybe not to talk too much on the live stream as well. That's a risk that I will do that, obviously. I will keep on talking, which, you know, always happens to me and always happens to, let's say, to geniuses. Okay, so maybe that's a, you know, maybe that's a genius thing. I hope I am one. Well, I will pretend to be one if not possible. So yeah, if you are a genius, you get distracted. So you and me and Zudini here, we get distracted. That means we are geniuses. And obviously we're building SaaS products, and both of us are talking about them. So it's a scary thing for some people. So for many people, impossible thing. But for me, it's actually pretty fun. It's like one of the coolest things about this entire process is the streaming part. I can't wait sometimes to start one. You know, it's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna have 2 hours now. The kids are busy, you know, the wife is busy. I'm gonna work for 2 hours. And I don't know, I used to think that work is hard, like work is a chore, and like, you know, we watch those movies that tell us that the office job is a nightmare, like a physical job is the worst. But like, if you start doing that, you actually realize, oh yeah, physical work is great. Office job can be fun when you actually have a purpose, when you're actually doing something and like feeling that you are actually completing some tasks and completing some projects and stuff. So then, yeah, I don't think what movies talk about work is usually very, very incorrect. I think work can make us happy. And even the hard physical labor can make us happy, you know. But that's a digression. Okay, I was actually going to check my Polish version of my website, because I think that's my worry, that I've just put some crap there. Let's just see how it looks now. And yeah, how about some music, guys? Is this like is this time to play some Polish folk? Obviously, yes. Just not too loud, just so it's way there in the background. Yeah, I'm from Poland. Zudini is asking. I'm from Poland, which is a country in Central Europe. Yeah, probably like it's a really nice place. I used to live in London for 10 years, and I enjoyed it for a while. And now I can't imagine living in a big city anymore. And I lived in Warsaw. I lived in Krakow, Polish like major cities, 2 biggest cities in Poland. That's not 9,000 but 8,000. And now I live in the village, and I really enjoy it. So this is actually my sales page, which I finished yesterday during live stream when I got to 1,000 subscribers, which was a great moment. And if you didn't subscribe yet, join to the 1,011 subscribers. Join us. It's gonna be blast. And also, like, I do the Discord, so let me just distract myself for one more moment, so I can actually copy this lovely link to the top of the chat, so people can join the Discord if they want to. Yeah, join Discord, and I will just pin it to the top, so you have more pin message, and I will just drop this in my Discord. Basically, my idea about Discord is I just want to start like throwing some projects to people, and you know, if they finish it, and I will be actually like doing. Oh, hi Zudini. I will be also doing like a project management, but very little. I will try to do as little as possible, because I'm actually, I took too many projects already, but I will try to actually guide them slowly to the goal. And if we manage to do that, then great. Nice, true. And if it doesn't happen, then well, you know, shit happens. But like I will try to you know, help them get there. And I think I got some experience in getting things done and completed. And I have actually a lots of experience as well in failing to get things done and completing them. You know, that's even harder to actually get things done. So it's actually more likely that we will fail, according like statistically. But I will try to get there. And also, like, sometimes our criteria of success should be, you know, are hard to define, because for example, like with my SaaS product, yeah, it doesn't make me money. I don't even have like customers that would be free customers, like beta testers. So yeah, unfortunately not there yet. But on the other hand, it's done, it's out there, it's used by one guy. So now I just have to get more guys. Maybe that's I should actually see this as a success, not really just think about it. Ooh, you know, it's not making millions yet. You know, it didn't buy me Ferrari yet, so it's a failure. No, it's not a failure. It's like most of the projects never get done, never get finished. They got abandoned somewhere there, and I've actually finished one here. So that's already one success. So let's just combine this with next success, which maybe will be a, you know, a good Discord channel, and this channel as well, this YouTube channel, 1,000 subscribers. I'm happy, you know. I didn't think that in 82 days I will actually get to this number. Yeah. So yeah, I think we are on the good way to get to. So I think I should do it in both languages, in Polish and in English, and then promote them in different countries, you know. So like Polish one, I will just send, because I can do a YouTube video, and like I do this for some of my videos. For example, I've got on my Planero website video that is like sales video, and I'm actually promoting this one. And it's actually the funny thing about YouTube, you can actually promote it for not very expensive, you know. Like, although the thing is, like, currently it's not really it's generating me visits to the website, but I'm not really convincing people to buy or to at least sign up, you know. So there are still somewhere, there's still some choke point here that doesn't even get them to sign up. So that's one thing that I will have to go through and improve on that page, I guess, and convince people that it's actually worth to try this up, you know, worth to spend your time and hopefully money at some point to actually get this thing working. So yeah, as I'm saying, this is something I will have to improve on. And this is the same website again, so let's not open it twice. Okay, yeah, so I was going to 14 years of experience. Let's say 15, you know. It's already like more even. But like if I counted everything, like, you know, I have plenty, like I have, and like, yeah. Okay, let's just do this. 15, 15, 15, SEO, 15. Why not? I don't need to. Yeah, 15. It's not the best. Okay, that's just SEO. That's fine. This is based on like, where are you from? Sorry, wherever. Like on my language. Guys, subscribe, like, wherever, comment. Obviously, I love that. But okay, the next stop is. So I want to be talking. I actually have some script somewhere here about what I should be talking about. So let me just like recover that. This is just like something that I threw out. You know, I asked my AI to actually generate just like quickly, so as a draft, you know. And I probably lost it, so maybe it's somewhere here, or maybe not. Okay, no, it's not here. Can you give me a script that will be a draft, obviously? Yeah, see ya, and yeah, good luck with your project. Thanks for coming, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for joining my Discord. Let's work together on stuff. And yeah, see ya. Thanks. Can you give me a script for a video, for a promotional video for this service, so I can start promoting my my services to customers. Yeah, let's see like what sort of draft it will be. Like my experience with AI, like even with the cheap agents, like I think I'm using something really cheap here, Raptor Mini. So till tomorrow I'm out of credits, so I will actually I'll be using the free ones. But even with that, it's actually very decent for marketing, because like the thing is, it has a context on your app, it sees all the, you know, all of the text that there is, or of your website, and it can actually access that, so you can just spit it out very quickly. So let's just like go through this and see if I like it, if I can use it. I will obviously just rewrite it myself as much as possible, and then obviously then I will do like a recording here on this live stream. Then, you know, I'll just edit it later, maybe on the next live stream or something. And this will be something that I will put money towards. It will be on my channel, obviously, and I will be just talking about, oh, how great services we have, you know, oh, how cool it is. So if you need a website and stuff, feel free just to hit us up, and like we will build you something cool, and like we have some offer there. So that's one of the things that I want to do. That would be actually a good sort of something that would keep me making money, because I do have kids and wife, so I have to. I'm actually I'm trying to do it all, you know. I'm actually committed to make this passive income thing, or like whatever alternative income to normal work happen. Yeah. So let's just do LibreOffice Writer. Yes, that's the one that I usually use. It's free. Why not? Why use Word when this is just the same? Although Word can be better in some ways. Okay, sure. Here's a clean custom. Okay, so we obviously don't need that. Promotional video script for Pixels and Logic. Opening shot. Dynamic wall montage of websites, apps, and happy clients. I don't know where I get happy clients from. Like yeah, maybe from Canva. You know, I'll just export it from Canva because they have some assets. Narrator or on camera host. Your idea deserves more than a template. Pixels and Logic. At Pixels and Logic, we build digital experience that work beautifully and efficiently. I don't like that. I actually like. I might not use any of it, to be honest. For example, I don't need that. I will be actually presenting it on the screen, and I'm not gonna be showing any happy customers because one, I don't have them. Two, it's not necessary. I hope. You know, I feel like it will be. I think it's not necessary. We'll see. I mean, I have got some. No, I'm not saying right because on the website I do have one person that I actually built a website long time ago, but you know, for most of the time I was working on corporate jobs, so you know, it's not like you can brag about projects you've been building for some bank or something. You can talk about it on the job interview, but not really to, you know, you can't really use it as something to get clients. So I really have to like sort of wing it. But also I'm actually presenting my products. Oh, and I actually can get testimonial from my wife, obviously, because I've built her. Like one of the coolest things in my portfolio is my wife's website. So yeah, I can probably pretend, you know, she's happy. So that's a customer, you know, it's for free, obviously, but it's a great project. Like if you actually look at my wife's website, which is called Szklarnia. It's a Polish, in Polish, obviously, but it's a cool website, I think. And it's a cool wife, obviously. And there is a sales, there is shop, obviously, very basic with Stripe. And there are some workshops that she's doing. People can sign up. Feel free to sign up if you want to come to Poland and to join that. And they are doing this kind of stuff, handcraft thing. In our greenhouse, in our garden. So that's the business, and I think it's a nice one. Actually, I think it's a nice website, very quick because it's using Gatsby, so you know, it's almost instantaneous to appear. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to put like a poll because I usually do that, and they seem to be popular. Some people like them, some people vote in them. Or okay, let's just, but maybe a bit later, or maybe no. Let's just do what now. Yeah, I had a couple of examples somewhere, stashed somewhere. Okay, let me just check again my services as well. This is in Polish, so if you don't understand that, you can open that page in English, feel free. And you can see actually what's going on there. But yeah, it's obviously just like a Polish website. Like my main target is actually Polish businesses, but maybe I will actually expand it to. I mean, there's no reason not to do international, like especially EU. It's actually really easy, so maybe I should actually do that. And there's no VAT that they have to pay me, so it's actually, I think that's a bit cheaper. So I think I'm sure I was doing some projects for Danish companies, and when they charge me, when I charged them, there was no tax, so it was actually cheaper for them. I mean, cheaper. You know, the thing is like you can get your VAT back or something, but it's a painful process usually. So some people prefer not to. So I will have to ask a couple of people for, I mean, maybe I should do testimonials as well. But yeah, okay, I'll try to, I think I could get three. One from my wife, one from my, the customer for this project. Okay, so for this project, so I've got one because I already asked her a while ago. She gave me this testimonial for this. I can get testimonial for this from my wife. And I've got one more place that I've built, one more customer that I've built actually this one for. I can get testimonial for that from my client and my friend actually. So it's all, you know, maybe I should start also presenting some testimonials, but that's for later. Let's get back to my script because, you know, talking about ideas will not make me money, but making a sales video might actually make me money. That's how I see it. Ooh, okay. Oh, yeah. Good. So let's go back to the script. So, your idea deserves more than a template. At Pixels and Logic, we build digital experience that works beautifully and efficiently. I think I should be just like talking about the problem. No, I don't like that. Let's just give it to my AI to tell that this is too official. I actually just want to go through my website, show the most important things and offer, and just tell people to contact me if they need that. I don't like it to be corporate, just to show our strong strengths, yeah. And I will show it with the website behind me. I will record it with the website behind me. Yeah. Yeah, basically I think I do prefer that kind of unofficial. I think it's much more honest than just like yeah. Okay, let's see what it came out with, because I didn't like first draft. First option was horrible. So AI, what, you know, you don't get points for that. Casual video script. Okay, let's like, I don't really like to read it here usually, but I do like to read it on white. Yeah, where's, okay, yeah. So you appear on the screen in front of your running site. You can scroll, click, show off sections as you talk. Okay. Hey, I'm Maciek from Pixels and Logic. I built the site you're actually looking at now to give you a quick taste of what we are doing. Yeah, what we do. Show the homepage and hero. This is a homepage, clear. I don't need to say big header, works English, Polish. Built in a Gatsby, it slows lightning fast, everything is responsive. So it looks good on your phone and laptop. Scroll down. Your main pieces, service, projects. Now that's also like, I don't want it to be, oh, this is what website shows. Okay, so no, I want to be talking about our services just with the page in the background. Maybe I shouldn't really ask my AI to do that, because I should just go through the website and just talk about what's there. Yeah, maybe that's not the best. Yeah, so I don't think my AI will do a good job here. I think it's kind of meh, you know, not very interesting. And I don't want to be talking, oh, here on this page it's a hero section. I don't think this is actually saying much. So yeah, let's not do that at all. This is a bad way to do it. And usually I'm actually really happy with what my AI spits out as a marketing stuff. But like, if I don't want it to be too official, I think like I like to. Yeah, we're tips. We're great tip. Keep the camera steady or record your screen while you narrate. Thank you. That's a great advice. Thank you, AI. Show the real side behind you so people see it in action. Obviously, great thing. I will actually, what I will do, let me just try this cool feature. Actually, yeah, this is something that I was thinking about for a while now. To speak naturally. Okay, I'll try to actually do a quick demo now of this library that I learned about recently, but I forgot the name already. So it's a library that does code to video, and you advise on the way that does code to video for React. I think that's how I'd actually explain it. What is it? I would like to show different sections of my site through this library. I think it will actually, yeah, this is something I should give it, like, this is something that my AI should be better at, you know, just like, okay, what's the library for this, and then animate that for me. Okay, already gave. Okay, so what's the name? Remotion. Yes, I forgot that. Okay, what you're looking for isn't screen recorder, but a way of writing your video, same way you write your UI. Yes, okay, that's what I want to do. Write React component for every frame, scene, or promo. Compose them with timeline into sequence. Example idea. Okay, so like npm run build, remotion add scripts, use script out video share. Okay, let's try that actually. Remotion. Okay, so let's do remotion now. Let's install. Let's do it with remotion. This is actually really cool. I really wanted to use it for a while, and I think it will just like expose my page better, and then it will actually export a video out of that. So let's do it with remotion. Can you guide me how to set it up on this project? Yeah. Hello guys, good to see you. Subscribe. I really enjoy subscribers, you know, they're pretty good. They're good people. And yeah, I'm working now on my agency website, which is obviously important part for me, because I've built like a SaaS already, but I need to make some money as well. So I think I will try to do some websites, some MVPs, some SaaS products, and if I get customers for that, I will be really pumped to actually go and just, you know, it will help me actually finance all my other projects and keep this project longer, you know, so I don't have to go to job and just like start making money and just, you know, stop maybe streaming so much and stop building my stuff so much. I will just go on with okay. Yeah, okay. I should have actually. Okay, so it's some sort of. So it actually already did it. Let's try. So what do I do now? Okay, PNPM video dev, PNP video build. Let's try PNP video dev. PNPM video dot dev. Yeah, let's see what it does. No? Oh, okay, obviously I need to install it. PNPM install. So it's gonna, you know, obviously take a minute. Yeah, yesterday I was like really, like I had like really long live stream. Lots of people came actually. and we got 2,000 subscribers, which was a big moment, I think, for my channel and for me. I think I like that kind of reward, you know. Obviously it's a very rewarding project for me, and I already got like you know, a bunch of projects running. I've got people actually working with me on other projects. If you want to join those projects, just go to Discord and join us as well. But I think like it's a great moment to actually see that, you know, people really enjoy working and watching this stuff because they keep on subscribing, which is good. And we don't always get 20 subscribers like yesterday. We sometimes get less, but it's still something I will be encouraging people to do, and to join my Discord, where we can talk about projects, I hope. And I will be posting my live streams and videos, obviously, because that's what Discord can be used as well for. But yeah. And I'm actually like, I'm at the stage where I'm trying to find some people to do a live streams with, you know, because like a podcast and stuff. So if you are actually know someone, or you're interested yourself, then feel free to join me in that endeavor, because it's also really fun. Like, I do a weekly podcast now called called Hello World Problems. Hello World is like, if you are not a programmer, or if you never did any video tutorials, it's your first app, you know. You usually just like say you create an app that displays Hello World, and that okay, so let's see what it does now. So this video dev, let's see if this script does something. Oh no. Okay, so we don't really run the preview. Okay. Do we have to add and video build to our scripts? I think it forgot that. Oh no, there is one. Oh, it's there. Promotion. Okay, so let's like. So it added that. When I run pnpm video dev, I get that. Hello guys, good to see you. I don't know, again or not again. Subscribe and join the Discord. I'm building I'm building a video, like a promoting video for my agency. I hope I'll actually get some. Oh, do I have to do that? Because I thought I installed it already. I'm doing like a site for my agency, and by which I want to actually start getting like a real customers who I will build websites and VPs and stuff, and maybe I would introduce some people from my Discord channel to help me with that. So, you know, thanks for congratulations on 1,000 subs. It was great. Yesterday last night I was trying to, I wasn't even thinking that I would get to that because it was like 982 I started live stream, and I felt like, okay, I'll just stay for an hour and just build something. And then like for first like 40 minutes there was like 8 people joining, and then it stopped, and I thought, okay, I don't know if I'm gonna get there. But then like I started encouraging people and like really calling them, you know, just do it, you know, help me now. And yeah, we got there. And at the end of the podcast it was 1002, so like it was we had a spare 2 people just in case if someone's unsubscribed. So yeah, thanks for congratulating me. I really I can't say that I worked hard for it, because I really like, I mean, sometimes I did like a video editing and stuff, but with the live stream they're actually more fun. So I don't really feel like I'm actually working. I'm just like, yeah, I'm just talking and working. I'm working on the stuff that I would be working anyway. So that's not something that I'm, you know, like anything really hard for me. It's just like, it's just natural thing of that I would be doing anyway. PNPM video with V, obviously. Let's not use this stupid console. Video dev. No? Should I like restart this or something? Let's try to restart my environment. Yeah. I saw your N2. N2? What's N2? Yeah, but yeah, thanks for coming and thanks for subscribing. I hope, you know, I'm sure. And yeah, thanks for congratulating me and stuff. And yeah, I've seen you before. Yeah, so enthusiasm. Okay, is this like a acronym for enthusiasm? N2, is this like a short for it, or did you just misspelled it? Yeah, you were the 995. Thank you. Yeah, I was actually like really like already a bit tired, so yeah, but I just wanted to get there. So thanks for being, you know, 995. I hope there will be 995s, you know, there will be a couple of zeros behind that later, but it's still like I can't. I think I got there quicker than I expected, because usually I hear the stories that, you know, it took me like a year and a half. Or in the other hand, you get those gurus on YouTube that are talking like, yeah, I did it with 3 videos, and it took me, you know, wherever. And then I think they're lying actually, because it's not as hard as some say, but it's pretty hard anyway. Like it takes some work, and takes, you know, in my case it was mostly live streaming. It takes a lot of editing and stuff. So yeah, so I'm not saying that it's actually super, like it's something in the middle, you know. It's not super easy, not super hard. Where is it? Yeah, okay, let's just try again. PNPM video dev or build. Let's try build. Although it didn't really see, yeah, it didn't see the remotion. Yes. I still get that. I still get that error on PNPM video dev. Can you try AI? How good are you? Let's see. How smart is my AI today? So, how are you guys? Like, how are you doing? I forgot to do a poll, because usually I get like one. Let's just do one already. Okay, it's a silly one. Did you like the video? Maybe not. I think it's too silly. Let's not do that. Oh, thanks for subscribing, someone. Another one. Great. One more. And I hope you'll be back actually as well. I think like it's a, and make sure to ask questions if you are interested in what I'm actually building or how we are building it. What's the point of what I'm doing now? That's yeah, if you have those kind of questions, I will be happy to respond to them. Otherwise, join the Discord channel, where we can just talk more about projects that we might be doing. You know, I hope I will and we will be doing some projects, maybe together. Who knows? So this is my agency that I'm trying to use to get customers now, and it's built with Gatsby, which makes it pretty quick on after deployment, and it makes it really cheap to actually maintain and to host it, because it's just static pages, so you don't really have to pay for Vercel to run it, because it's just static files. It's just, you know, you create with React and then you export it to static HTML files, which are very fast to cache. It's actually doing a very, very good job with caching, with preloading and stuff like that. So if you look at my pages that are built with this technology, they're doing pretty good job in terms of, like, you know, time and loading speeds and stuff. Yeah, so this is a great technology for that. Yeah. So, what's broken? I never used that library before, but I think it's pretty neat. Like, if you actually look at, it's called Remotion, yes, Remotion. Some examples of Remotion, yeah? Examples. Yeah, showcase. So it's actually, yeah, doing that kind of stuff.
Submagic is the easiest and fastest way to create amazing viral short-form content. You can add those animated captions on your short form directly, B-rolls, transition, zoom effect, sound effect.
So I actually learned that library to do those. It's like, you know, yeah, really nice. This is from code, you know, it's not, so someone actually have passed like a file to feed it with data, and then based on that it's actually updated. So why Poland is so bad? Or is it good? Heavy electricity data in Europe. I don't know. What's heavy electricity? Yeah, so, you know, you can visualize those kind of things. Don't know what's that. Okay, it's some sort of his product. So he is showing his product. I'm actually redo my stunning editable video backgrounds. Oh, it's a bit too loud actually. I don't like that, but very good examples.
Welcome to my karaoke video, where creating karaoke videos is fast, easy, and fun. Today, we'll show you how to use our one-click karaoke generator to create a stunning karaoke video.
Great products you can actually show. So you're like, based on the React app, it should be actually showing, but we have to first install it, and for some reason it doesn't get the setup. My setup is not really like it. I asked my AI, my Raptor in this case. I'm using cheap ones. I know it's but I don't need the more expensive ones usually. I realize that it's sort of, oh, maybe I installed it with npm or pnpm. How did I do it? Should we, like, okay, here it's using pnpm and he's using npm. I don't really know what. If you okay, so it's, I think it's removing this package and we will reinstall it that after. Remotion, yeah, I mean not remotion. So good to see him actually working on that. And hopefully, maybe this time, pnpm add, yeah, okay. So it's actually adding CLI, so it probably should also add the normal thing, yes? Like the normal library. Do I have like the normal one? Is this just where's the remotion? Here. So it's CLI. Oh, and the library itself as well. So it should actually, it should run it. Oh, 8 people. Great. Subscribe, guys. Join the big army of people who love to watch, you know, SaaS, building SaaS and building products and trying to make money with them. So this is actually what we are trying to get today, is to get some real customers. Let's see if now we will actually get it running. Oh, and actually it's good that I left it here, because now he can analyze it. So I'm not running it in my console. He's spinning one console now. Well, this is actually, I think this is quite recent thing that they added to Copilot, and you know it can actually like run console scripts, or maybe not. Maybe I'm just like really I didn't really pay attention too much. Is it better now? Let's see. Oh, good, bravo. Yeah, working. Let's see what it will actually show. Remotion Studio. It shows nothing. Obviously, there's some error that we have somewhere. Unexpected token. You might need to appreciate loader, header, wherever. Let's just pass it to my AI. Obviously, it's some sort of setup issue. Yeah, keep. Or maybe we still need to do something. Oh, I think it figured it out. Good. Because usually I get like lots of syntax errors introduced by Copilot, and it doesn't really know how to solve it. So in this case, I think it might actually be smart enough to try to fix it himself. And I really don't know what I'm expecting from this remotion. I think it's just gonna yeah, let's see what it does for us, if it does anything. So basically, I wanted to, like, my idea of showing this would be like, instead of showing it with website, it would just show this one somehow nicely like in the screen next to me, maybe with some basic background, and then I would be actually on the side like here and explaining, oh yeah, this is what we are doing. So yeah, welcome to my tour of my agency website, or something. And I will say it in Polish and in English. I will do 2 videos, Polish version and English version, and then I will be promoting them to see if I can get any customers for that. And my hope is, yes, my hope is to actually be able to get lots of customers. Maybe some of them would allow me to even live stream what I'm actually building for them. That would be even cooler, maybe I would go down on the price on some of them if we could do that. So we would be showing some real projects for real customers that they would be paying me some real money for that. And then I would try to actually invite some people maybe for help, because I'm giving myself like ambitious deadlines for those MVPs and those websites. I just like give people like, I'm just like in my offer there is like, we can build it in 5 days, and it's actually doable. It's probably doable even in less than 5 days with some of that. But we need to, okay, what's happening here? I need to get some business, obviously. I need to convince people that it's actually worth to go with me to allow me to build this for them. And it's good. My advantage is that I have many years of experience of corporate work. So I think I can convince people, yeah, I'm the guy, I'm the guy who can actually manage this for you. And I've done some work already on projects. Not that much as an agency, I have very little experience of agency build, although I did some private projects, and actually I worked for an agency for like 8 months or something, less than a year, for one like digital agency, and we would be doing like a regular websites, some like quick ones. We were working for Samsung, and like that was exclusively for them, and we would be building like sales pages and like stuff that I'm building here now. So I can't say that I have no experience there, although it's not really my my main thing. Well, let's call it that way. Okay, so now what's there? What do I do now? You have both package and PMP. Oh, because this is actually something that my AI did for me. What a stupid idiot. So what we have to do now is to delete quite a lot of stuff like this as well, node modules, and reinstall it again because it just kind of messed it up. So it's actually complaining, oh, you have 2 different conflicting scripts, and then they actually overwrite each other and they break your app, So, but this is actually something that this Raptor thing introduced to my project. So and now he's complaining, oh, you got that, let's just, yeah, why do you have such a problems? Why did you actually allow that? But this was actually you, Raptor. It's actually you who messed it up. So thank you for that, obviously. Yeah. How is your Saturday, guys? Because it's sunny here. I think I will like in 1 hour. I will leave this desk, this nice and comfortable standing desk, and I will go cycling with my daughters. We'll go to like a playground or something. It's like after really snowy and like very miserable couple of weeks, maybe almost entire February and on all January, it was white and like it was snowy here. Like first it was fun, but then it kind of gets tiresome. Like that's enough. Start melting already. Go, give me spring, please. Oh, okay, so now we are removed. So let's just like install that from scratch again. npm install. Yeah. Let's allow him to actually set it up, and then based on that we will again try to run it again and see if it figures it out. And maybe maybe it will show me something. Maybe it will show me some animation. I'll start figuring out how to really get it running. So that's how we're gonna approach this problem. And yeah, subscribe and join the Discord, guys. It's obviously where we can have some good discussions about the code, I hope. Or maybe, you know, or maybe about... Oh, okay, so it's doing something. Okay, I just went for the build script, so maybe I shouldn't really do that one. I should have done the dev, because I would at least, maybe it would show me in the browser. It's first time I'm using this library, so I'm actually testing it. But I'm expecting that it would show me some stuff animated. Oh, so, and this is broken. What about this, my friend? What about this? After build, I have reinstalled my project, and now I get this on build. Yeah. AI is good for debugging. I like it for that. Is it okay? I will go for a grab a tea and go for a short break. So if you don't mind, I will actually take a 5 minutes break, and I hope to see you again back here in 5 minutes. So I would, you know, or if I don't see you, then I will still be working on this library. And if you're interested, come back in, you know, some time to see my results. So yeah, see you in a minute. Okay, actually, let's see this. So it's actually checking if there's glass. No, it was worse. No, that's actually interesting. Okay, so let's just finish this one, and then I will try to... Hello. Okay, let's have a quick break. See you in a minute, yeah? Or in 5 minutes. I went for a break, and there's more people than before. Oh. yeah, so I went for like short break, and there's more people when I back than when I was before. So maybe I shouldn't really be here. It's random, but oh, someone subscribed. Thank you. Welcome. It's good to see you. Oh, actually, let me just move away from here to here somewhere. Yeah, I think that's good place. Somewhere here behind the numbers. Yeah. So yeah, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. Let's see now if this animation library will work. I would like it to work, because I think it's a neat concept. You know, you can just like animate your React components from your React components. You can just animate it on the screen and display it. What kind of program is being done? That's a question from Shamhood RPPY. So I'm guessing that PY is for Python. So you like Python. This is actually a digital agency I'm trying to sell my business with, you know, so it's actually my business. I'm trying to actually build like get some customers for that. So this is like a website that I'm building, but I also have a bunch of other products, you know. So I've got like I have a SaaS for managing deliveries, and I've got this is not mine. I've got this pattern market, which I'm building as a something that people can sell their sewing patterns. It's kind of to steal some market from Etsy. And I've got this website for my wife that she is using for her business. So I've got a bunch of programs, projects, and stuff. Oh, unless you were asking about this Remotion. So I'm trying to set it up now, and Remotion is actually something that you can make animations out of React components. So it's a code to video type of software. I mean, library. It's not really software. Okay. So if you want to render real hero services section later, either extract them into Gatsby free components or configure the builder to transpile necessary modules. But at the moment, placeholders keep the pipeline working. Okay, so I need to so what are you recommending now? Should I create a new project and animate it there? New React project and yeah, that sucks actually. So because I used Gatsby, it doesn't really like to it doesn't work well with Gatsby, I guess. 2 fixes you can apply. Keep Gatsby code. Oh yeah, out of your video bundle. Create separate video version. Yeah, let's just do first version. Oh, maybe this one actually. Okay. Okay, let's just try first fix. Let's try first fix. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome. Good to see you. Let's try for first fix. Like basically it will just create 2 things. I don't want it to maybe try to mess up with my Gatsby setup. I mean, it's working, so let's not try to do it. I think it will just copy on some logic from my main website components to like React components. Let's see how it try first fix. Yeah, let's see what my AI will do with that kind of. Hi, Lig. Hi. Were you? I'm good. How are you? I think like we never spoke before. Yes, you just joined. So yeah, good to see you. Thanks for, I think, did you subscribe? I think you were the one. You were the number 1014. Yeah, if you did, thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate that. And what I'm doing now, I'm trying to make some videos out of my code. So there's this library called Remotion. So thanks for subscribing. You can join my Discord as well. It's somewhere there in the chat. But I'm trying to make out of React components like a video. And this video will be used to actually sell my services. Yeah. I don't know what luck means. That's from on the chat. Oh, someone subscribed again. Thank you. Great to see you. If you enjoyed that content, I really appreciate your subscription, and I hope to see you again soon, like tomorrow, next time, or stay here anyway. Let's see if we can actually manage to get this up running, because I obviously have a website already. I could just screen record it and it would work, but I think it's much more neat to use this Remotion and and try to do that. Okay, what did it do? Anything? Allow, yes. Did it do anything? No, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't actually create anything. Oh, there is a video here. What's this? Hero section. Service section. It doesn't show anything. So it's actually broken. Why as... Yeah, okay, so it's not really... It didn't do anything useful. You can delete that one. So let's just undo this and undo that. Oh, so what happened? Code out. Do we have a out folder? Oh, I actually deleted that one. Yes? Okay, first fix. I already placed... Oh, sorry, let's just try again. So I shouldn't really... Let's just do build again. So it will actually create the video. This the one that I just deleted. Okay, let's just give it a moment. Here. Okay, so you've got this video. Good. Okay, good. I have a video. It just says hero section and something else later. Services section. Let's make it more fancy with my components. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Oh, actually, maybe now I could actually run it. If I just run the pnpm run dev, it should actually show me the... allow me to debug, view it in the browser and debug it live. That would be better. So let's see if I can actually achieve that. That would be great. That would be even better. This library seems actually quite neat when I watch some examples. And so let's see if we can actually get it to do anything fancy. I don't want it just to display that it's a hero section. Who cares? I can display it within. I could put it in DaVinci Resolve, so that's not really an advantage. You didn't really give me anything yet. But obviously, when we look at the examples and what it can do, I think we can actually expect quite cool outputs there. But let it just go through it now. I don't know what did I ask? Good. Okay, so it's actually building something more fancy. That was my prompt, very vague, But I give my I allow my AI to actually think for itself a bit. So it's not like, okay, do this here. I don't really like to do that. I think I like to be surprised with my prompts. And how you deal with error made, but that AI makes, yeah? How do I deal with errors that AI makes? I usually just ask AI to fix it, I just open the page, see if it's actually showing me some errors in the console or somewhere, and then just feed it back to AI. I think that's the easiest approach I can think of, Okay, so our services. Okay, this kind of sucks, yeah. I'm not really this is not a good video. So yeah, this sucks, obviously. So I'm not really you know. Obviously I was very vague, so I can't expect it to just make something really great straight away. But this is, we can obviously see that this is very poor what it created. Is that mean AI is not for coding yet? No, I do coding. I do lots of coding with AI. I do some myself. I probably, with recent projects, I do 80% of AI coding and maybe 20% of my stuff. But, and especially with the stuff that I don't know, I like here, I'm trying to actually get this into, to make it work. Okay, let's just try pnpm run. Sorry, I'm like when I what was the script here? Build video run or dev, yeah? Was it dev? Yeah, I think it should actually work here now. Yeah. Oh, okay. So that then I have this editor, which is pretty cool actually. Pixels and logic. We build first accessible. Okay. So what do I do here? I can hide it. Okay. So I probably have to start explaining to my AI a bit more because I'm very vague. AI is not for coding it. Yeah, AI is good for coding. Sorry, that's a question from Lig. That if do I mean that, you know, AI is not good for coding? I think it's great. It's great, and with, you know, and often it's better than I am. Sometimes it's worse. It depends like what we want to achieve. What does it mean? Animation utils helps for animating CSS properties. Emojis. Render videos, Google Cloud Run. I don't know what's that. Enable SCSS support. Well, I don't need that. GIFs, Google Fonts. Let's try that. Oh, there's so many. Yeah, I might actually need to do some tutorials on this library because it seems quite powerful. Or maybe not. Maybe I will just tell it to my AI. Okay, let's just oh, okay, so it stopped my reunion. Okay, so I think I will have to just explain what I want to show. So let's start with first slide being in a window somewhere, in a window, not window, like a screen that takes, like, oh, okay, in a, being in a browser, or no, I don't really know what I'm trying to actually achieve here. Depends on what level of output we want as well. Yes, I think that's you know, depending how specific you are about what you want from your AI. I think like myself, I'm very I don't really like, I'm very open for it to actually elaborate, to make wherever it thinks like it, you know. So it's like sometimes I just ask AI to build something and then I just see how it goes, you know. So let's first show my hero, my like there's a browser and mobile. What's the name of my browser and mobile actually? There's this like animation that I'm actually using in my project. Let's just run it as well in the npm run. It's like start, yes. So I actually just need to check what was the component I want to actually animate in. Okay, but like let's first like what sort of stuff I want to actually show. So let's go to remotion. Yes, remotion examples, showcases. Yeah, so like I want to.
Submagic.
Yeah, so I want this kind of stuff. That would be cooler.
Is the easiest and fastest way to create amazing viral short form content. You can add those animated captions.
Yeah, okay, so let's start with showing my entire app in some sort of fake browser that would take about 70% of the screen. This would be in with yeah, then rest of the screen should be having my background color from my theme, and I will be placed over that. It will, okay, screen. This would then, it would be scrolling very dynamically between different sections. First showing hero for 10 seconds, then go lower to, what's the next section we have? Our services, and bring them forwards, bring each service forwards ads for like 5 seconds to take most of the display area. Then we go down. Then let's see my page actually. Localhost 8000. Yes. Oh, it's not running yet. Maybe I broke it. npm start. Did it just break? I hope it didn't break my app. Please don't break my app. I want it to work. I want it to still display. I will stay for another 40 minutes, guys. So yeah, if you have questions, go on. I will be building this thing. I hope I will get it actually running. I hope it didn't break my Gatsby site. So what's the problem now? I think it might have broke something. Okay. Oh no, please. Okay, they gone lower to services. Okay, let's just to services and then scroll down to what we offer and show each offer for like 15 seconds. Then scroll all the way to contact, and I can scroll to my portfolio section, show each project for 3 seconds, and then scroll down to contact and stay there. Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay, so our services bring each service down. Okay, so first hero, then services. Okay. The rest, okay. Well, I think I just broke it. I would be scrolling. Then we be no. Okay, I messed up something. Good. Okay, I would. Yeah, I think that's how we want. I would. No, that's not our service. I would like to between different sections, first showing here for 10 seconds and go lower and scroll down to okay, down to our services. Okay, yes, that's how we want. Then we want to go to offer. Yeah, let's try that. I know it's a like usually I'm talking about very vague prompts, but this one is like really meaty. This time we really want to squeeze it to actually show like everything correctly. And like go one by one properly and show everything very nicely. Let me just go down. I will just sit down because my legs are tired now after like 2 hours of standing now, like an hour and a half, but I started earlier. So what is it going to achieve now? I think it messed up my Gatsby, which is a problem I don't like. Yeah, it's some setup problems, but I hope I will be able to, after this prompt, I hope I will be able to fix it. It doesn't seem too scary, you know, I used to have those problems sometimes, but maybe it just changed something about my setup and I will have to just go back and forth or something. Oh, thanks for subscribing. Welcome to my channel. We already had 6 today, so it's a good. We had some good number. Yeah, we have some good numbers today. And yesterday we reached 1000, so makes me really happy to see more and more people subscribing. Yeah, so thank you. Thanks for coming. Thanks for and yeah, feel free to comment and drop a message in the chat if you have any questions. What the hell I'm trying to build. Okay, let's try to see what it builds. It's probably not gonna be, you know, I'm not gonna be 100% happy with it, but it might be pretty cool. Hey, disable goes. Okay, disable goes 6912. Did we ever speak? I don't remember you, to be honest. There's an option I can do is called channel activity. I can check everyone, and probably you can do that the same on the chat and see. Prasanna. I'm Prasanna. I'm new. What's Prasanna? Man. Okay, I'm a new man. Okay, good. You are new and you are a man and you are Prasanna, which means I don't know what's Prasanna. Is this like a city or something? Oh, your name is Prasanna. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for specifying that, because I never heard that name in my life. So, Brainy Shelf. Funny. Brainy Shelf. Hi, Brainy Shelf. How are you? So hi Prasanna, hi Brain Shelf. Good to see you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you didn't. I think you did, or one of you at least. And thanks for joining me. I'm building today like a agency website, and I want to try to make a video animations like from code, you know. So I wanted to actually animate my code, basically what I'm trying to do. How do you do? Yeah, I'm doing very well. Yesterday I reached 1,000 subscribers, which was a good for my channel. But also I kind of managed to get like finished some of my some of my ideas. So now I'm trying to actually start selling that ideas, and I think that's actually a good place to be. Although it's very hard, you know. So it's very hard to sell your services, to sell your SaaS, your products. So I'm actually on that stage. And I'm still building some other stuff, so maybe I'm building too many things. That's something for you know. But I am, but I just can't stop doing them. So yeah, you are also a full stack dev. Good. I was mostly like in most of my career I was front end developer, but I think like over the last year, especially with AI, I've been actually taking quite a lot of full stack stuff. I think like I'm very comfortable with DevOps as well, so that's actually something I can offer to customers as well. And yeah, I think like with AI it's much easier to get a wider scope, you know, to do more things. But also with you know, even without AI, like it's really, I think it's good to not just the front end as I did most of my career. I think it's good to go like, you know, wider. And full stack, I think, like some people say this is too much, you know, how can you, like, you know, it's just too much knowledge, you know, but I think people can manage both. And if you don't know something, you can just read on it. Let's see what sort of video we got. Okay, let's see that. So we've got the pixels and logic. Looks cool. Is it gonna show me my... So this is basically a video that... Okay, so it doesn't want to show my hero section, which is kind of annoying. This is funny animation. Oh, it's kind of... looks weird, in my opinion. And it doesn't render things properly. It's very incorrect in terms of rendering. So I might actually... Will I actually be using this even? Let's try again, like here. Okay, let's try again. So we have your overlay. Okay, you don't have to put my overlay here. I will just do it myself. So yeah, okay, it rendered this correctly, but look at animation it does. No, I don't really like that. I think I should actually just zoom in and zoom out rather than... Yeah, okay, I think like here it's like, yeah, I've got projects. So it actually, I'm not really happy how it's actually doing this job. And I don't even see any part that I would like. So maybe this remotion is something that I didn't really do correctly. Maybe I will have to try it on other apps, but like in this case, it's not what I want, obviously. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to my channel. Obviously, yeah, so remotion is a failure. Look, so in my case, you know, maybe because I just gave it my website, and maybe I should I don't know, maybe I should just do, maybe I've done something incorrect, and maybe looks bad. Some of the animations are kind of jumpy. And also many components don't render correctly. Can we fix it? I don't know, like let's see if we can actually do anything about this, because otherwise it sounds like a waste of time, this thing. Maybe not, you know, maybe we will, sorry, like I just closed my YouTube stats, and I see people writing something. I'm new to programming. I'm learning Python. Good, Python is great. It's fun. And don't listen to people who say that it's horrible. It's pretty good library. And interested in SaaS. Any tips or advice for me? My advice and tips to people, and I will repeat what I'm repeating to many people: start building things. Don't only do learning, you know. So do learn a bit, you know, learn some basics, and then just start hacking. Start trying to, and maybe like if you know people who need something to be built, try to build that for them. You know, just ask people in your family, in your friends circle, you know, is there anything you need building, and just try to build it for them. Because then you will, like, your knowledge, like if you just do like books and video tutorials or something, you will forget it quickly because you will not apply it. And then when you start working on it and just applying it, and you will have to go on and you know, do the same stuff many times, then it will actually drill in your head very well. And then you will have to solve problems that your video tutorials would never actually ask you to do. And this is where you are progressing even more, you know. So that would be my advice, you know. Where are you from? I am from Poland. I live in Poland. I lived for 10 years in London as well, where I studied and worked for a couple of years. And then for the last 12 years, I'm back in Poland. And I will stay here probably because I like it, unless there is something horrible happening. I think it's a great place to live. So yeah, Brainy Shelf, thanks for subscribing and thanks for coming to my channel. Build stuff. If you don't know what to build, also I'm trying to create a community on Discord. Come here. Like I think within a couple of days I'll try to make a form where people can put what they actually know, and we can try to, you know, put them into some projects and try to actually build something and think of something that could be built, like real stuff, you know. And one caveat is I will be talking about it on my live streams, and we will be maybe even like doing live streams from planning and stuff. I think that would be cool, so people could see how it works in corporate environment, because I have most of my experience is a corporate. I worked for 15 years in different corporations mostly. So then I will just do what I learned there, you know. Hi James, yeah. I'll try to do what I learned there to manage those projects. And if you're interested, you know, and if we make some money, I don't know if it's possible, but if we do, we'll just share it equally, you know, like, or we will share it. Like, what I like to do is ask people honestly how many hours you spend, and then compare like how many other hours people spend, and maybe look into like a GitHub history, because someone might be just like, you know, just to substantiate. I'm not saying that I will be questioning that, but I would actually just, you know, try to do it evenly and just kind of fairly. But, you know, and I like to ask people, okay, how much did you put into it? Can you explain what you built? And then based on that, we'll just try to share it. Maybe if there are some profits, I hope there would be, you know. Welcome guys, thanks for coming. I think there's more people now than was a couple of minutes ago. Make sure to subscribe, because that's actually what makes my channel even more lively. Yesterday I crossed 1000, so it's a nice round number. It's good to be in 4 digits rather than 3 digits. And I will be actually going in 20 minutes. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to test this Remotion library. I thought I will actually do a video for my product with this Remotion thing, but it seems to be like really bad at rendering what I have actually on the page. So for example, it doesn't really render this is actually an entire hero page, and it should actually render it. Thanks for congratulations. I'm expecting it to build me show my hero section, which looks differently, and then like it's doing animation of this. Now this looks horrible, so it's not really doing good animation here. Yeah, look at this. It's just like, it's bad. So I just like explain, okay, I want to see our offers, and like our offers, what's this, you know? full website, SaaS, but it just didn't render it correctly. So this is, I can see that it's either, you know, obviously I did it with AI. Thanks for subscribing. Obviously I did it with AI. So, but the thing is, like, I don't know if I would do it better, if it would render better, or maybe I would have to spend a day or two on this. So maybe this is not the greatest idea for me. And I don't really see any useful sections here that I could actually use in my video, because I think I can do that better, even myself. So yeah, I think like that's a failure. Project Alpha, I don't know, Project Beta, I think it's just doing something silly. So I will actually undo some of those changes. I will have to reinstall my project. And I think the video idea was not really good. So I actually got, I thought I will be actually using those videos, but it seems to be quite horrible in what it does. Okay, why us? This one I want to keep. This one I want to keep. This one I will undo. So whenever I actually change something, yeah, let's undo this. Let's undo this. Let's undo that, whatever it does. Remotion, let's remove a remotion. Yeah, okay, so this wasn't a successful, unfortunately. But not everything is, you know. This is a software is hard thing to make work, and not everything will work. So let's just do that. Let's commit this update. Yeah, and thanks guys for coming. Thanks for subscribing. I think we just got one more amazing person to subscribe. How can I find junior dev or internships or any role here from Nepal? It doesn't matter where you are, because we do digital stuff, so you can find that. You know, I know it's hard, especially if you are from, you know, from Nepal, from India or something, because people don't really trust that in West. So probably if you're looking for like some American project, it might be hard, but like you still can find it, because one advantage you have, you are less expensive than people locally, so it might be tempting. You speak English, so that's another advantage. What you should do also to start working on your projects, you know, so it's either so it's either building even for free for people around you and creating a portfolio of things that you actually build. So that's actually something that will be most powerful for you, most useful. And trying to serve people around you, maybe that will be easier. But then if you want to do Western customers, that's obviously harder. You have to start impressing them, hitting them. And this is where your portfolio comes in. You need the portfolio as well. I can work like 150 a month or even 100 as well. Yeah, that's so you're cheap, obviously, for West, you know. So for example, myself, when I work for corporations, I'm charging about $300 per day, or even more. So if you compare that to, but then you have to show what you can, you know, and this is something that, you know, even if you want to make $100, this is something you have to show what you can. So basically, like, okay, I understand you're a junior. Feel free to join my Discord, which is somewhere in my chat. Join that place, and I will try to actually pair you up with some people, and we'll try to actually release products, real products. And if we manage to do that and make some money, we'll share that between each other. I just have to like sort of look into who is in the group and what are the skills out there, and then I will think what we can use it for. Yeah, okay, show your portfolio. Yeah, so I'm talking to disable goes 6912 on my chat, who is asking about basically how to get into industry, and he has a portfolio, which is better because my first advice was already something that you already have, so that's even better. But yeah, if you drop your portfolio here in the link, I will open it. So you are on Discord already, yes? Or maybe drop it on Discord. Wherever, you know, wherever, chat, Discord, you know, see, like, I started this Discord 3 days ago, and already we have 15 people. Nice. So it's growing. I just need to like make a form, like a Google form. Thanks for subscribing, someone. I need to make a Google form which will be trying to assess what we actually have in the team, or like what we have in the group. And then based on that, I will try to actually look for some projects, you know. Maybe I can find you something, maybe hopefully something paid. Otherwise you can do free stuff, maybe. And then if you prove something, yeah, then if you prove yourself, who knows, we might be able to work together. But yeah, rookie. But yeah, like I'm also like I'm also in the stage where I'm looking for projects myself, so I want to actually get customers myself. And this page which I'm actually building today is something that I will try to use for that, you know. Yeah, okay, this sucks. Yeah, so this doesn't work for me. Okay, let's see. com.np. So np is Nepal, probably. Ooh. Unfortunately, that's where we get to. My what's the name of my thing? Do you want to do live stream? You can show your projects. Do you want to join me on Google Call? Because the thing is, like, my internet provider seems to be blocking some of my stuff. What was that? So yeah, if you we can jump on the call, because unfortunately I'm not able. So I'll just. Oh yeah, let's try Discord. I never did Discord. Let me just turn off the music, and then we'll just speak. You know, see if we can. You know, who knows? Let's try here. How do I do like? Can I do video here? Can we do like a video call here? Hello. Hello. Are we? Can we like talk here? Okay. Am I? Okay, I don't know how to do this. To be honest, I'm just learning Discord, so I don't know how to start a live stream. Can we do this? Oh, so there's just a voice channel, yes? So we can just talk like that. Oh, okay, but then you can show your project, yes?
Yes.
Oh, good. Hello, rookie. Okay, but then you can show your project, yes? Okay, just mute me up. Mute me up on your computer.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, and then you're sharing your screen, yes? This is your screen? Just mute me up on your computer. No, that's me. Can I do like full screen here? What? Okay, so that's you. Good. View
Yeah.
project.
That's me, and you can go from GitHub. I was working like my projects.
Mm-hmm. So which one you are most proud of?
I was working for one man, and then he disappeared.
Yeah.
All of the sudden. Yeah. I have the project like hiring people online.
Okay.
For the sake, I will show you.
I'm at this moment I'm not really interested in code, to be honest. I think in the
Okay.
era of AI, it's not something, you know, unless you like, if there is anything like you really want to show. But like for me, it all looks the same now. You know, it's a Tailwind within React. So just show me what you've built and what cool is doing, why it's good.
Oh,
I know I can see you know how to use Docker, which is very useful. That's a useful skill. So do you develop within Docker, or do you develop like that? Yeah, I can see that you have it.
I am developing the database that is in the Docker and like that.
Cool. Nice. So you're running your project now, yeah, locally.
Yep.
Okay, so when it appears, show us. I will be staying for another 10 minutes, so after that we can just chat on the Discord. I personally I can't promise that I will get you some projects, but it's good to like I will actually combine, like check the list of things that you can do. And I'll try to actually pair people up into projects and think what we can build and how.
I will love doing something, and if you could help me, and it will be grateful for me as well.
Mhm. So do you do like vibe coding, or are you programming yourself? Is this something you do?
No. I don't do vibe coding at all.
Okay. Oh, so you are programming yourself. Nice. Good.
Yes.
Congratulations. So this is like okay. What is it built
So
with?
the
So it's a React
React-
on the front end, and what's on the back end?
React. In the front end, it is React, CSS, and HCN UI, and
Yeah.
in the back end, I have developed with Node.js and Express, and there is PostgreSQL, MongoDB, that is as well.
Yeah, cool. Wow, so you write yourself. Okay. If
Yes.
you are doing Node, I might actually use you on one of my projects. I actually have a project that is sort of not far from release. I might use that kind of skill, but we'll see. Tak, wiem. Za 10 minut kończę. Sorry, my wife was asking about stuff. Okay, professional services. So this is like some sort of website for plumbers or something?
It is for the hiring electrician, plumber, and all the other stuff online in real time.
Okay. And did you release it as a product? Is it out there?
Yes, so some client asked me to edit, but he is banished.
Okay. So why
I
don't
have
you
no-
release it yourself?
I don't have that fund, so I could go live and all that, all that.
Whoa, this is actually like I like your dashboard, to be honest. I think it's
Okay.
yeah, it looks like a good project.
So if I want to hire electrician, then I am from online here. What the heck? Wait a sec. Wait.
So you're ready to work for $100 for a month, yes?
Yes.
And then what I can offer you, I think, at this stage, I can offer you $100 for a month of work, and I will test if you are good. And then
Okay.
and then you will get some percentage when we release the app. If there is any income from that app, I will either hire you and offer you some percentage, and I can promise that here. Oh, because I think like you look actually good. You actually like what I see, and if you are saying that you are writing it yourself without AI, this is actually pretty good.
I'm writing for myself, and I am doing data structure and algorithms for the interviews as well.
Okay, so what I will do, I will take you for one project, and we'll try for a month, and we'll see how it goes. If it goes shit, I will pay you just $100. If it goes well, I will keep on paying you for next month, and then you will get some percentage of that. If I like what you are building, if you are on time and doing like good job, then you will stay, and I will just keep you for some projects. If there might be another chance that I will actually get some people through my agency, which I showed you a minute ago.
Okay.
If I get anyone through that, I can see opportunity to actually hire you for those contracts, and then I would just pay you even more because there would be very quick contracts. We would complete them in a couple of days or maybe weeks, very intensively work, and then you would get some bonus on that. So let's I think I like what I see. I'm really impressed what you are showing me. Let's stay in touch, and I will actually over next not today, I will show you how to work on one of my projects. We will try for a month, okay?
Okay.
And if everything works well, if it works bad, I will pay you anyway. Okay, you will get the $100 unless you do really nothing, and unless I see nothing in the repo that you actually committed. You are not showing to meetings and stuff. But if you are showing to the meetings, it's twice a week. And if I see that you are putting code, and I will be checking that code, then you obviously get your $100 this month. And obviously that this is just like a beginning, I think, because I can imagine that you could do good stuff. So yeah, I'm interested in getting you to a project now, and I hope we'll get further with that.
Okay, thanks, man. This means a lot to me. And for the sake of you, I am a stutter, so I am a little bit stuttery in the conversation as well
Sorry,
here.
can you repeat that again?
I am stutter, so I stutter while I speak. That's my habit or from the childhood.
Sorry,
Hello.
I didn't get that. But okay, if you can write it down, I will actually try to decipher it for myself. Maybe it's just me not speaking well enough. So don't worry. Just if you can write me on the what that means. I shutter. What shutter? Okay, shuttering. What does it mean?
Wait.
Oh, okay. Like yeah. Okay. I think I know. I think it sounds good. It sounds okay. Work with continued. Okay. Tendency to shutter while speaking. Don't worry. I don't mind that.
Okay.
If something you can write, the thing is like you can write. Don't worry. Like
Yeah.
that. I want you to write code. I don't really need to talk to you too much. I'm just kidding. I kind of like when you talk, and
Yes.
but yeah, like I think I like we just talked for 5 minutes. Send me your GitHub as well. I'll like just have a look actually as well, and
I will.
send me the link to this app that you have if you have anything released. Oh, you did that actually. I'll try to open it on my phone, and then
I
we'll get
haven't
talking.
please at all.
Yeah, cool. Unfortunately, I will have to finish. I have a dinner actually in like so I actually said that I will stay till 2 hours, so I've got 2 more minutes. And yeah, let's stay in touch. I think I really love what you are building, and I will try to actually give you some good projects. I've got one that will try first, and if it works out, I really can see a big potential for someone to have someone like you on my side. So yeah,
I have a question. Is it project in React or something much?
it's React project and Node on the backend. Is it okay?
Okay.
Would you?
I'm comfortable on that.
Good. Okay. It's quite old React, so you will have to, there's a Redux, like old version of Redux.
Yes.
But I believe that you'll be okay. And like we are using. Oh, thanks for subscribing, someone. And we are using, I think, CSS modules. It's quite like the project is not like I'm not using Tailwind or ShadCN because this project was set up a couple of years ago and it was way before Tailwind. But I do like how it's actually working, so that's fine. I know you will figure it out because this is just details, like whether it's Tailwind or CSS or something. I know you will figure it out, so I'm not worried about that. So I will actually invite you to that project. I will actually explain you what to do. Just not now. I just have to go for dinner, and we will stay in touch.
If you
Yeah.
if you have couple of more minutes, then I can show you what I am building now.
Okay, show me. Okay, I have 2 minutes. Okay, so show me in 2 minutes if you
Okay,
can.
okay.
Or just like if you can open it, I will go to the toilet first. Okay, be back in 2 minutes, and then you can show me. Okay, because I really need to go
Okay,
to the loo. You will show me, and then I'll go for dinner. Okay, let's do it this way.
okay.
And you can show it to people here on the screen, so they will get entertained.
Okay. Mm. Okay. I- It is not running.
Yeah, I'm back.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm back. Yeah,
A- Are you online?
yeah, I'm online. Yeah, I can see what you're showing.
Yes, yes. Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. This app, I have an idea to manage all the schools, colleges at one place, and provide the parents to track the performance of the students
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Okay. Thanks for it.
It is like school management system with the
Okay.
parents dashboard, teachers dashboard, student dashboard, admin panel, all in one.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds like a good idea. I think it's kind of useful.
Yeah, and I wanna log in here. Admin panel.
Mm-hmm. I like your design. I like the black and I think it's.
It has some bugs, so I have to refresh that.
Yeah, I know. There are always bugs. There are always bugs. Don't worry.
And you can add a student. If you add a student from here, then backend automatically creates email for each student and password, and they can log in their dashboard as, as well.
Oh, nice.
And here teachers, I have to add in the backend. It is all finished the logic, but in the React, I have to update it as
Mm-hmm.
well. And your parents, the classes,
Mm-hmm.
streams. I have designed according to the school here in Nepal.
Okay.
Police. Here is resetting.
Mm-hmm.
You can change password as well. password. I would say 1 2 3 4. Question mark. Password is changed, and you can log out. And
Cool. No, it looks actually very like useful. You know, I mean, I'm not really, I'm not sure how to, you know. Oh, but yeah, it looks cool. Looks cool. Good idea. Good idea. I think like let's. I will actually write down what the app is. Okay.
okay.
And I will invite you to the projects. We'll try for a month and see how it goes. Okay. And this is a month.
Okay,
If,
man.
if you do stuff, you know, if I see that you're putting your heart into it, I'll obviously pay you the $100, and hopefully in the future you will get actually more from me, because I like basically now I'm just paying from my own pocket. So obviously it's not really, I'm not making money on those projects. But once I will actually start making money, I will start like my first thing will be to start sharing it with people. So just to motivate them to actually work harder. So yeah, as I'm saying, like, thanks for your for your. I think you are actually doing cool stuff. I will have a look into your code later. I will just give it like a couple of minutes, and but yeah, I think like I could use you in one of the projects, and let's cooperate. So yeah, yeah. Thanks for that. Do you wanna say anything else?
Thank you, man, for that
Cool.
opportunity. I was looking for that.
Great. So yeah, I'm sure you will do a good job. So see you around, and we'll speak later. Okay? We will speak on Discord.
I will be in Discord as
Yeah,
well.
but not now. I will probably write you tonight or tomorrow or somewhere. So don't worry. Like don't wait for me now. But I will actually write you down what's the project, how I'm doing it, and like all that stuff. Okay?
Thank you.
Cool. And if I forget by Monday, just remind me, okay? Because I can be forgetful.
Okay.
So yeah, thanks for coming. First, thanks for subscribing. I think we will have some good fun working together. And yeah, see you around. Yeah.
Okay, man. Thank you a lot. This means a lot for me.
Yeah, good. For me as well, because I want those projects to be running. So yeah, see you later. Okay, I'm gonna go for dinner.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see each other later. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, I just hired a guy. He will help me with a project. I think it's obviously I will check his portfolio and see how he works with. But I think it's very encouraging for me. I have a couple of projects that I'm working on, and there is one that I really want to push on harder. And I will actually bring him into it. I think then he will get $100 after a month of that. Obviously, I know it's not that much, especially for European reality. Although I have other people working for free on that project, so that's fine. But I think like he will actually put some good effort into it. And when we release it, I don't know if I can promise him like 5% of the earnings, or not on the earnings, of the profits, which obviously so I will try to actually get him into my projects and share some earnings there. Obviously it's a long process, it will take a bit. I don't have any projects now. It will take me a bit, but I think it sounds like a really good project. So yeah, as I was saying, I will be going for a dinner. Make sure to subscribe. I think it's here. Yes, join the Discord channel if you want to also work with us or have some ideas about projects. We'll try to accommodate them. And see you later, guys. I will probably be somewhere in the evening, but I don't know. In my evening, obviously. So yeah, see you around. Thank you.